Y'all, look at this, look at this. Somebody come look at this. In my Kevin Hart voice.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I'm at Walmart and it is raining and it's cold. What's up, you guys? It's Teresa 5 and I'm back with another video. Today I got on my Red Riding Hood. Well, it's actually pink, but I got on my Red Riding Hood. Cause we in the hood. I was just playing, y'all. But I'm actually at Walmart and honey child, it is cold and it's raining. Okay, that's why I got on this hood, y'all. So today I'm at Walmart because I gotta get some spaghetti ingredients to cook spaghetti. I need to get some Aveeno for my son's skin. I need to get some olive oil edge control so I can control these edges. Yeah, I need to get a phone card so I can pay my phone bill, because y'all, I'm with Straight Talk Mobile. Okay, I'm not with T-Mobile, I'm not with AT&T, I'm not with Verizon. I don't want to be hooked to nobody. Okay, just give me the phone card, I pay the bill as I go. Oh, and also I'm gonna get some more stir-fry steak, because those steak nachos was really good. Okay, I'll probably put that on the channel for you guys as well. And I need to get some more soap, okay, so we can bathe our butts. And I feel like I'm a real crazy person because I knew it was finna rain and I just brought my butt up to the stove anyway, because I gotta get my phone card, because I gotta pay my phone bill, okay, because I got people to call and people to call me. I'm not finna get out the car until it stops raining, because honey, I'm not finna get wet. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see that? I'm not finna get wet. Not at all, girl. Because my edges already. Let's not talk about the edges. But anyway, you guys, see you guys in the store. Girl, it's raining. Open my shirt up. My shirt up, y'all. I gotta run. Run. And then I got on water shoes with my little stupid self. Oh, about to get hit. Child, I got on water shoes that you're supposed to wear by the poolside, girl. Let me hurry up. Oh, y'all, I'm finally in Walmart. I'm gonna go get this phone card. It's okay, it's okay.
It's all about me.
It's okay, no, it's okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Do. Okay, so here are the phone cards, you guys. I usually get the $55 plan that's unlimited, and you got a 15 gigabyte hotspot data. And it's $55, but with taxes it's $60. These are the other one. Straight Talk. You guys, Walmart doesn't have the 35 case of bottled water, except for his. They just got the little cases up there. So I'm gonna just get these. Okay, so y'all, I gotta get Parmesan cheese to put in the spaghetti after I'm done cooking it. So let me get the cheese. Excuse me, I just want to get right here. It's $2.22. This is the chip aisle. They got nachos. Okay, they got these, but these all crumbled up. No, man. Look about these. They're $3.50. Now, what if I'm getting these nacho chips and they ain't even got steak? That'll be the gag, okay? Okay, so you guys, they do have the ground chicken. Sale by November 26th. I'm gonna get 2 of these. For the spaghetti. if they got the steak. Look like they do. Yep. Yup, they got it. It's $8.53, y'all. And it's $8.71. It's $8.98. I'm getting the one for $8.71 and $8.53. Cause all the rest of these is, oh, this is $7. This one look good. I'm gonna get this one. Put that one back. Okay, so spaghetti sauce. Which one is this? Garlic roasted herb. I'm gonna get 2 of these, y'all. So $2.24. Look at that. Let's get the spaghetti. This is the only one I got. Oh, 92 cents. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, so you guys, I need to get some green peppers. They got the bag just sitting here. Only Walmart. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna get red, orange, and yellow peppers and some jalapeno peppers. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna get some strawberries. These look pretty good. Look how crowded it is at Walmart, y'all. This is ridiculous. Okay, so y'all, I'm about to go get the soap to see if they got the different Aveeno, like the balm kind. It's thicker than the lotion. Y'all, I just got this Aveeno because they didn't have the balm kind in the little jar, so I just got this. Y'all, look at this hand sanitizer. Look how it's shaped. It's the other one. Mint citrus, and this was orange blossom. Y'all, I did not know this brand had body wash. This is the same brand I use for my deodorant. I did not know that. This one stank. I can tell y'all that right now. This one smells good. Never tried this one or that one. Wow, they don't even have the scent I use for my deodorant. Tea tree mint body wash, shea butter and vanilla body wash, coconut, milk and vitamin E. Ooh, pomegranate and mango body wash. Y'all, I don't use body wash. I have to use the soap. This is the Dove soap. I think I'm gonna get this one. It's 4-pack for $6.47. Cause this 8-pack for $10.97. No ma'am. Y'all, this is the best edge control ever in my opinion, and it smells so good. It's $4.74. I should get 2 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2. Y'all, this is how much I paid for the shampoo. $10.97. So I got everything I needed, you guys. It's still raining. It's still raining, y'all. Put my hoodie on. What's up, what's up? My feet wet. Oh my God. So y'all, I spent $60.43 in pandemic food stamps, EBT food stamps. And yeah, I got out everything I needed. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you guys like this vlog, it's kind of short. But if you guys like this vlog, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video so we can grow. And also put your notification bells on so you guys can be notified every time I post content like these. Bye! Y'all, these are the shoes. These the water slides, y'all. Y'all see it got holes in them? Yeah, my feet got soaked. Shouldn't have wore these. Yo, this is the phone card I have to use to pay my phone bill because it was off. I have to put this PIN number in, this service PIN, scratch it off like I'm winning the lottery, and put it in my phone, and then it'll turn my phone back on. So this is how I pay my phone bill, y'all. Y'all, it's still raining. Oh my God. While I'm leaving Walmart. Still raining, y'all. Bad too. All I am trying to do is get home to my family. That's all. And it wants to rain like crazy. Sheesh. If y'all don't know, I like to make a lot of voices. That's all I'm trying to do.